Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm here to show you how to check your credit report for free. Whether you're planning to apply for a loan, buy a house, or just keep tabs on your financial status. First things first, let's talk about why checking your credit report is very important. Your credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including loans, credit cards, and payment history. It contains all the information lenders use to decide whether or not to lend to you. Errors on your credit report can affect your credit score. In turn, your ability to secure loans or get a good interest rate. That's why it's very important to review your credit report regularly, at least once a year, to catch any errors and signs of identity theft early. Now let's talk about how you can get your free credit report. At the time of this recording, you are entitled to a free credit report every week from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. The easiest way to get your report is by visiting annualcreditreport.com. Okay, let's go over to annualcreditreport.com. Once you're on the site, click the Request Your Free Credit Report button. You'll be asked to provide some personal information like your name, address, and social security number to verify your identity. This is the only authorized website for free credit reports. Be cautious of other sites may charge you or offer you misleading services. Okay, now let's fill out the form to verify your identity. After you've completed the verification process, you'll be able to review and download your credit report from each credit bureau. I recommend downloading all 3 reports and saving it to your computer for easy access. Here's a key tip. If you have any items in dispute, you will not be able to obtain your credit report. So make sure you haven't started the dispute process. But if you have already started the dispute process, wait a week or 2 until your disputes are final. Then you can try again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. And if you have any questions or need any further clarifications, drop them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the next video.